fine, oh, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah, let me give you the